Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 195. AMD software installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So here, a AMD software installer was unable to access. This may be caused by your system antivirus software, firewall settings, or the AMD server are temporarily offline for maintenance. So in order to fix it, please make sure you're running the latest version of the AMD Auto Detect and Install tool. You can find in here driver and support for processor and graphic in AMD official website. So you can download Windows driver here, the latest version. Next, check your antivirus software and definition are up to date, then rerun the AMD software installer. So you may also consider disabling your antivirus software temporarily until the installation of the AMD software package is complete. Then you can configure your system firewall setting to allow traffic with AMD server while the AMD software installer is running. So you can just type allow and allow an app through Windows firewall and add AMD here. Allow AMD to communicate through Windows Defender firewall. Next, consider installing the AMD software package later. The AMD server may be temporarily offline due to maintenance, so you have to wait until the maintenance is done and the AMD servers run normally. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.